What powers India's economy beyond the big corporate names? The answer lies in millions of small businesses that manufacture, trade, and provide services across the country. This week, the spotlight is on India's micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs. As the nation observes International MSME Day 2026 and RBI's MSME Awareness Week, 31.1% of GDP, 48.58% of exports, 35.4% of manufacturing output. These aren't just statistics. They represent backbone of India's economy and the dreams of millions of entrepreneurs. Speaking at the MSME event in Kerala, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra urged banks and financial institutions to view MSMEs not as a regulatory obligation but as a long-term business partners that generate sustainable growth and social value. And reinforcing the sector's importance, Malhotra described MSMEs as India's entrepreneurship nursery, highlighting their role in creating jobs, generating incomes, and nurturing future business leaders. He also reiterated the Reserve Bank's continued commitment to the sector, noting that more than 7.9 crore MSMEs and informal micro enterprises have been brought into formal economy through the Udyam and Udyam Assist platforms. The RBI has also announced a major boost for MSME financing. It has simplified onboarding on the Trades Receivable Discounting System or TREDS, making it easier for small businesses to convert pending invoices into working capital. The new framework also allows financiers to access government-backed credit guarantee cover, encouraging greater lending to the sector. Meanwhile, the government is working on the amendments to the MSME Development Act aimed at speeding up dispute resolution in delayed payment cases, reducing compliance burdens and improving the ease of doing business for small enterprises. Digital platforms such as GEMS, TREDS, and Samadhan are also helping MSMEs gain market access and resolve payment-related issues faster. The message from policymakers is clear. India's MSMEs are not just small businesses. They are growth engines, job creators, and foundation of the country's economic future. As MSME Week unfolds, the focus remains on ensuring easier credit, faster payments, greater digital adoption, and stronger support for millions of enterprises driving India's growth story. For more such videos, stay tuned to SME Futures.